Hello. Have got. Avere. I have got. I have got 3 cats. You have got. You have got a bike. He has got. He has got a robot. She has got. She has got a Barbie doll. It has got. It has got a bone. We have got. We have got a lesson. You have got. You have got homework. They have got. They have got 3 children. 1, 2, 3. Negative form. I have not got. I have not got a puppy. You have not got. You have not got a drone. He has not got. He has not got a Barbie doll. She has not got. She has not got a robot. It has not got. It has not got a leg. We have not got. We have not got a French lesson. You have not got. You have not got school on Saturday. They have not got. They have not got green eyes. The interrogative form. Have I got? Have I got 3 cats? Yes, you have. Have you got? Have you got a bike? Yes, I have. Has he got? Has he got a robot? Yes, he has. Has she got? Has she got a Barbie doll? Yes, she has. Has it got? Has it got a bone? Yes, it has. Have we got? Have we got a lesson? Yes, we have. Have you got? Have you got homework? Yes, we have. Have they got? Have they got a French lesson? No, they haven't. Bye-bye.